In the last video, we destroyed a Ford F-150. Watch the full video of this crash test on the channel. Now I'll try to restore it to fight the Porsche 911. We'll take it apart, restore the parts, and put it back together again. The appearance seems much shabby, and worse than when it was first assembled. However, she looks much better than after the accident. Let's start with a regular front stripe. Great hit. It hit both of them hard. Now we will straighten out the Porsche geometry a little. On the other side, the Porsche is up against an obstacle. Despite this, the interior did not suffer serious damage. Car doors are hollow, so external damage did not particularly affect the interior lining. Now Porsche will try to cause side damage to the track. Beware. Hit from behind. The last hit very hard. The damage to the car seems very realistic. Cool. Would you like to see another car in our crash test? Write the brand in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. I have new videos every week.